guys, is this thing on? Just kidding. Welcome to one of my YouTube videos this time. Welcome to YouTube video. CC Cash is here. CC Cash is 75 here. So, pretty much what we have here is today's tutorial is something so simple that it can be used anytime on a laptop to help you solve a math problem on paper. Oh yeah, good old calculator. Alright, so I know this is simple. Most of you know what to do, but alright, so teach you how to use a calculator. Alright, first you alternate one, but press standard, and this is a regular standard calculator. So then what we have next is scientific calculator, and as sin, cosine, and all the other stuff. Oh, the fun algebra 1A and 1B and algebra 2. Good times, good times. Then programmer. I don't know nothing about that yet, but I guess I'll learn about it later. I guess it talks about shape and sizes and stuff. Then we have statistics calculator. And I don't know what it does here, but I guess let's see what happens when we do this. Enter data to calculate. That I don't know how to do. I made it stuck. There we go. 9 with the X on the bottom. No, I don't know what that does. Oh, okay. Okay, turn this right back to 8. We're just gonna have fun with this. 3 minus add 6. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. But there's no equal sign, so I don't know what to do there. Back to standard. So pretty much that's how you use a calculator. Hopefully this video helps you out pretty well, and oh, there's plenty more. Okay, worksheets, mortgage, monthly payments. Okay, I didn't know it does that either. Okay, vehicle lease. All right. Fuel economy. Okay, and another fuel company. Okay. So pretty much this is how you use a calculator. If you have any questions or anything, just comment in the comment section. Make sure you click like to this video or dislike, and comment and subscribe. Have a good day.